1. Do you love classic cars? Then you'll definitely appreciate this 1984 Chevrolet S10 Blazer Tahoe, which is currently available for purchase for $2,800. Although it has already driven 90,000 miles, this car is still in excellent condition and ready for new adventures. This Blazer Tahoe is equipped with an automatic transmission, but the seller mentions that it's a bit rough. However, don't worry, as this is the only drawback of the car. Otherwise, it is in great condition and has no significant damage or issues. The red exterior of this car looks stunning and attracts attention, while the interior remains in good condition. The seller also notes that there are 2 new sets of tires, ensuring that you can start your journey with comfort and safety. This Chevrolet S10 is an excellent choice for classic car enthusiasts looking for reliable and stylish transportation. Don't miss the opportunity and make it yours today. 2. Check out this 1972 Volkswagen Super Beetle, a true classic that has been well maintained and is ready for its new owner. With only 64,000 miles on the odometer, this beauty has a lot of life left in it. The exterior is painted in a sleek black finish, which perfectly complements the black interior. This Beetle is equipped with a manual transmission, making it a joy to drive for any car enthusiast. It runs and drives smoothly thanks to the newly installed tires, battery, and upholstery. The carburetor has also been replaced, and a new one is ready to be installed for a quick and easy fix to the idle issue. One of the unique features of this car is the sunroof, which adds to its vintage charm. The seller has also installed a custom stereo system with fitted speakers behind the rear seat, so you can cruise in style while listening to your favorite tunes. The carpet package, headliner, running boards, and full trim kit are all new and add to the overall look and feel of the car. The seller has described this car as a project that is very near completion, with many new parts ready to be installed. Despite the funky paint job, this car has no significant damage or problems, and the title is clean. The car is also paid off, so you won't have to worry about any liens or loans. This Volkswagen Beetle is a great find for any vintage car lover. It's a fun car that gets lots of looks and laughs, and it's sure to turn heads wherever you go. The asking price of $4,000 is a steal for a car in this condition, so don't miss out on this opportunity to own a piece of automotive history. 3. Check out this beautiful 1969 Plymouth Valiant, currently up for sale for just $2,500. This classic car is a true gem, with its tan exterior and interior that have been well preserved over the years. It's an automatic transmission vehicle, making it easy and comfortable to drive. The car runs really well and moves around the yard with ease thanks to its 225 slant 6 engine. It's an Arizona vehicle that has been off the road since 1991, so it's been well protected from the elements. The seller has also taken great care of it, as there is no significant damage or problems with the vehicle. The car comes with a clean title and is paid off, so you won't have to worry about any hidden fees or liens. The seller has also done some recent work on the car, including a new gas tank and sending unit, fuel pump, filter and fuel lines, rebuilt carburetor, fan belt, oil and oil filter, and air cleaner. However, it's worth noting that the car still needs new tires and a complete brake job. There may also be a little cleaning up needed on the wiring. The body and interior are rough, but that's to be expected with a car of this age. It still has all the AC components, but they will need to be refreshed. Overall, this 1969 Plymouth Valiant is a great find for any classic car enthusiast. With a little bit of work, it could be restored to its former glory. Don't miss out on this opportunity to own a piece of automotive history. 4. If you're a fan of classic American muscle cars, then you're in luck. I'm excited to introduce you to this beautiful 1984 Chevrolet Camaro, which is currently up for sale for just $4,000. With only 52,000 miles on the odometer, this car has been well maintained and is in excellent condition. The exterior of the car is a stunning brown color that has been well preserved over the years. The paint job is in great shape, with no noticeable scratches or dents. The chrome accents on the grille and bumpers add a touch of elegance to the car's overall appearance. Under the hood, you'll find a powerful gasoline engine that runs smoothly and quietly. The automatic transmission shifts seamlessly, making for a comfortable and enjoyable driving experience. The car has been serviced regularly and is in great mechanical condition. The interior of the car is just as impressive as the exterior. The brown upholstery is in excellent condition with no tears or stains. The seats are comfortable and supportive, making this car perfect for long drives. The dashboard and controls are all in great working order, and the car comes with all the original paperwork and a clean title. One of the best things about this car is that it has only had 2 previous owners. The current owner is selling it only because they are moving to a new place with limited parking. This means that the car has been well cared for and has not been subjected to excessive wear and tear. Overall, this 1984 Chevrolet Camaro is an excellent choice for anyone who loves classic American muscle cars. With its stunning brown exterior, comfortable interior, and powerful engine, it's sure to turn heads wherever you go. So if you're in the market for a classic car that's both affordable and reliable, be sure to check out this 1984 Chevrolet Camaro. 5. Do you love classic cars? Then you can't pass by this 1982 Ford Mustang Notchback listed for sale at $6,500. This is a rare find, one of only 62 cars produced in this brown color in 1982. This Mustang Notchback is equipped with an automatic transmission and has a 6-cylinder engine. It has only 31,232 miles on it and is in excellent working condition. Over the past few years, it has been meticulously serviced and is ready to hit the road. This car is an original California vehicle and has never left the state. It has a clean history and a clear title, making registration a hassle-free process. The Notchback features a classic exterior and a charming brown and beige interior. It's perfect for collectors looking for a classic car that can be both driven and showcased. The car is already paid for, and you won't have any financing issues. If you're in search of a classic car with historical value that's road-ready, then this Ford Mustang is exactly what you need. Don't miss the opportunity to own this unique automobile. 6. Check out this stunning 1979 Ford Ranchero, a true classic that is sure to turn heads wherever you go. With only 2 previous owners and 50,422 miles on the clock, this beauty is in excellent condition and ready to hit the road. The exterior of this Ranchero is a sleek black and metallic gray, which contrasts beautifully with the beige interior. The black carpet adds a touch of sophistication to the cabin, making it the perfect place to sit back and enjoy the ride. Under the hood, you'll find an automatic transmission that shifts smoothly and effortlessly. This Ranchero is powered by a gasoline engine that runs like a dream and picks up speed quickly, making it a joy to drive. One of the best things about this Ranchero is that it has a clean title and is paid off, so you won't have to worry about any outstanding liens or loans. The plates have barely expired, so you can get on the road right away. The seller has taken great care of this vehicle, and it shows. There is no significant damage or problems, and it only needs a few minor details to be in perfect condition. At $7,000, this Ford Ranchero is an absolute steal. Don't miss your chance to own a piece of automotive history. 7. Attention all vintage car enthusiasts. I'm thrilled to present to you this stunning 1977 Toyota Corolla Deluxe, which is now up for sale. This classic beauty has been driven only 96,000 miles and is in excellent condition for its age. The exterior of this car is a bright and eye-catching yellow, which is sure to turn heads wherever you go. The interior is black, providing a sleek and stylish contrast to the exterior. The car is equipped with a manual transmission, which is perfect for those who love the feeling of being in control of their vehicle. Under the hood, you'll find a 3TC engine that has received a full tune-up, ensuring that it runs smoothly and efficiently. This car is also equipped with air conditioning components, although they are currently not working. However, it's rare to find a Corolla from this era with AC, so this is a valuable feature that can be easily restored. The seller has informed me that the car needs an alternator and water pump, as well as a carburetor cleaning. However, the good news is that all the necessary parts will come with the car, so you won't have to worry about sourcing them yourself. The car also has a new battery, so you can be confident that it will start up reliably every time. The car does have a few minor issues that are worth noting. The dash is cracked and the passenger seat is a bit torn up. However, these are cosmetic issues that can be easily fixed, and they don't detract from the overall charm and character of this classic car. The seller has also mentioned that there are about $500 of past due tags on the car. However, this is a small price to pay for such a rare and beautiful vehicle. Overall, this Toyota Corolla is a fantastic find for any vintage car collector. With a little bit of TLC, it can be restored to its former glory and provide years of enjoyment on the road. The asking price is a very reasonable $3,000, so don't miss out on this opportunity to own a piece of automotive history. 8. Check out this stunning 1979 Buick Regal, a true classic that is sure to turn heads. With only 61,357 miles on the odometer, this beauty has been well maintained and is in excellent condition. The automatic transmission ensures a smooth and comfortable ride, while the 3.8 LV6 engine provides plenty of power. The exterior is a beautiful shade of blue, and the interior is equally impressive with its matching blue upholstery. This car has had only 2 owners, and it is paid off and has a clean title. The seller has stated that there is no significant damage or problems with the vehicle. The only thing this car needs is a new headliner, but that is a minor detail compared to the overall condition of the vehicle. This Buick Regal is a rare find, and it won't be on the market for long. Don't miss your chance to own a piece of automotive history. For only $4,900, this car is a steal. Contact the seller today to schedule a test drive and see for yourself why this Buick is a must-have for any vintage car enthusiast. 9. Attention all vintage car enthusiasts. I am thrilled to present to you this stunning 1974 Chevrolet Corvette Stingray, currently up for sale for just $8,500. With only 40,393 original miles on the odometer, this beauty has been well maintained and is in excellent condition. The exterior of this Corvette is a gorgeous green color that is sure to turn heads, while the interior boasts sleek black upholstery that is both comfortable and stylish. The automatic transmission has been freshly rebuilt, ensuring a smooth and effortless driving experience. Under the hood, you'll find an original model engine that has also been rebuilt and features an Edelbrock intake and thumper cam, providing plenty of power and performance. The transmission has also been upgraded with a Stage 2 kit, making this Corvette a true joy to drive. This Corvette has had only 2 previous owners and is currently paid off with a clean title. It has no significant damage or problems, making it a reliable and dependable choice for any collector. To top it all off, this Corvette comes equipped with 4 brand new Cooper Cobra Radial GT tires, providing excellent traction and handling. The custom stereo system, installed by Bailey's Audio, is sure to impress even the most discerning audiophiles. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity to own a piece of automotive history. A 10. If you're in the market for a classic car that turns heads and runs like a dream, look no further than this stunning 1970 Buick Lesabre. With its turquoise exterior and black interior, this car is a true beauty that is sure to make a statement wherever you go. Under the hood, you'll find a powerful 350 V8 engine that is paired with an automatic transmission. This car has been driven 110,892 miles, but it still runs smoothly and has plenty of life left in it. The gasoline fuel type ensures that you'll be able to cruise down the highway with ease. One of the best things about this car is that it has a clean title and is paid off, so you won't have to worry about any liens or hidden fees. The seller has also stated that there is no significant damage or problems with the vehicle, so you can rest assured that you're getting a reliable ride. The exterior of the car has a patina finish that gives it a unique vintage look. While there is some visible body rust behind the driver's rear wheel, it is very small and does not detract from the overall appearance of the car. The straight body and good paint job make this car a 10-foot beauty that is sure to impress. The interior of the car is just as impressive as the exterior. The dash and headliner are in great condition, and the seat belts are functional and safe. The black interior complements the turquoise exterior perfectly, creating a classic look that is sure to turn heads. The car also features power steering, power brakes, and air conditioning, so you'll be able to drive in comfort and style. The bumpers are in good condition, and the wheels and tires are in great shape. Overall, this Buick Lesabre is a fantastic car that is perfect for anyone who loves classic vehicles. Whether you're looking for a fun weekend cruiser or a daily driver, this car is sure to exceed your expectations. With its unique patina finish, powerful engine, and comfortable interior, this car is a true gem that is sure to bring you years of enjoyment. So why wait? Come take a test drive today and experience the magic of this classic Buick for yourself. 11. Attention all classic car enthusiasts. Feast your eyes on this stunning 1984 Chevrolet Monte Carlo, currently up for sale for just $14,000. With 170,000 miles on the odometer, this beauty has been well loved and well maintained over the years. The exterior of this Monte Carlo is a sleek black, which contrasts beautifully with the blue interior. The car is an automatic transmission and has a real SS salvage title. Despite its age, this car is solid and reliable with no leaks or overheating issues. Under the hood, you'll find a 305 engine that runs like a dream. The previous owner had the car for 2 years without any issues, and I have receipts of all the work that has been done on the car. The car is currently tagged and registered under my name, and I just smogged it a few weeks ago, so it's ready to transfer over to the new owner. This Monte Carlo has been upgraded with some impressive features, including new lowered rear springs, 15 inches rally tires with meaty tread, and an X-pipe with long tube headers. The car also has a new mini high torque starter from Summit, ensuring that it starts up quickly and reliably every time. But that's not all. This car also has an Edelbrock 1406 Performer 600 CFM square bore 4-barrel air valve secondary electric choke carburetor, which provides excellent fuel efficiency and power. And for the audiophiles out there, this Monte Carlo has an Alpine stereo system with 4 6.5 JBL speakers, 2 3.5 kicker speakers, and 2 6X9 speakers in the rear with a voice amp. The car is also equipped with zero-gauge cable and tinted windows all around. This Monte Carlo is a true classic that will turn heads wherever you go. Don't miss your chance to own this beautiful piece of automotive history. 12. Attention all vintage car enthusiasts! I present to you this stunning 1973 Mercedes-Benz 450 SE, a true classic that has been well maintained and cared for over the years. With only 154,000 miles on the odometer, this car is in beautiful condition and ready to hit the road. The exterior of this car is a gorgeous beige color that has been well preserved, and the interior is equally impressive, with comfortable leather seats that have aged gracefully. The automatic transmission ensures a smooth and easy ride, and the gasoline fuel type means you'll be able to fill up quickly and easily at any gas station. The current owner has taken great care of this car, making several improvements during their 3 years of ownership. These include replacing the heater valve and hose, drive shaft center support and bearing, transmission shift bushings, low headlight beams, muffler hangers, and rear shock absorbers and sway bar links. Additionally, all fuel injection hoses have been replaced, and the car has 4 brand new tires that were mounted and balanced in November 2021. Despite these improvements, the car is being sold as is, with a few minor issues that are worth noting. The rear right side passenger window does not operate, and the turn indicators operate intermittently due to a fuse issue. However, these issues are relatively minor and can be easily addressed by a mechanic. Overall, this Mercedes-Benz 450 SE is a fantastic find for any vintage car collector. With its classic styling, reliable performance, and well-documented maintenance history, it's sure to turn heads and provide many years of enjoyment. So don't miss out on this opportunity to own a piece of automotive history.